Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam. In a minute, because in that lecture we're gonna talk about lathe operation. As we can see here, this is my geometry. I'm gonna start from here and reach here. This is my geometry, and this is my stock setup. Actually, we're gonna start from here to here by using the make from 2-point options, and then this is gonna be my toolpath. So when I am click the parameters, actually, when I am turned to stock recognition options and hit the adjust stock options, we're gonna see the three options. This is options 1, options 2, and options 3. So we can select one of them, and then after that we just need to hit the OK button, and then we can recalculate our toolpath. So this is created automatically.